Could life exist in one of the most inhospitable places in the solar system? Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and rocky surface, is a planet of extremes. On the ground, temperatures soar to nearly 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Its atmosphere is a suffocating mix of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds. At first glance, Venus seems like the last place you'd expect to find life. But as we look higher, into the dense turbulent clouds, an astonishing possibility emerges. Could the skies of Venus harbor life? In recent years, scientists have turned their attention to Venus's upper atmosphere, about 30 to 40 miles above the planet's scorching surface. Here, the conditions are strikingly different. Temperatures range from a comfortable 30 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pressure is similar to what we experience at sea level on Earth. It's a region teeming with dense clouds of sulfuric acid, a toxic environment to be sure, but not an impossible one for certain forms of microbial life. After all, life on Earth has thrived in some of the harshest environments imaginable, from acidic hot springs to deep-sea hydrothermal vents. The excitement around Venus reached a fever pitch in 2020 when astronomers detected phosphine gas in its atmosphere. On Earth, phosphine is produced by biological processes, often in anaerobic environments where oxygen is scarce. Could this be a signal of life in Venus's clouds? The discovery sparked a wave of speculation, as phosphine is difficult to explain through known geological or chemical processes. While later studies cast doubt on the phosphine findings, they didn't extinguish the intrigue surrounding Venus. Instead, they reignited efforts to explore the planet in greater detail. If life exists in the clouds of Venus, it would likely be microbial, clinging to microscopic particles and thriving in pockets of moisture. These organisms would need to be incredibly hardy, capable of withstanding the corrosive sulfuric acid that makes up much of Venus's clouds. On Earth, we've discovered extremophiles, microbes that survive in conditions once thought impossible, such as acid-loving bacteria in volcanic lakes. If life can adapt so dramatically here, why not on Venus? To uncover the truth, space agencies are planning new missions to Venus. NASA's Da Vinci Plus and Veritas missions, along with ESA's Envision, aim to study Venus's atmosphere and surface with unprecedented detail. Meanwhile, private and international projects like the proposed Venus LifeFinder missions are focused on directly sampling the planet's clouds for signs of life. These missions could reveal whether the ingredients for life are present, or even uncover something more extraordinary. Venus also holds profound implications for the search for life beyond our solar system. If life can exist in such a hostile environment, it would vastly expand our understanding of where to look for extraterrestrial life. Perhaps alien worlds with thick toxic atmospheres aren't barren wastelands but thriving ecosystems hidden in the clouds. The question of life on Venus remains unanswered, but every discovery about this mysterious planet brings us closer to understanding the possibilities. Whether or not we find life, exploring Venus challenges our preconceptions and pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible. It reminds us that life, in its resilience and adaptability, may exist in forms and places we have yet to imagine. So could there be life in the clouds of Venus? The answer may redefine how we view our place in the universe.